How to change Instagram font size. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up settings on a device. Scroll down on notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on wallpapers and style. Now tap on font. Now under font size, drag the slider to increase or decrease the size. Now simply tap on apply. Now open up your recent app manager. Now clear the Instagram. Now open up Instagram on a device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.